Okay, students, hope you are all doing well. Today we will be again discussing some of the very important concepts related to national income accounting. Now, actually, in this video, I am going to focus on the various methods that we use for calculating national income. Now, I have already made a video over the concept of national income, so I hope you have understood what is national income. So, putting that definition into mind, we will move forward and look into different process that is actually used for calculating national income. Okay, so various methods for calculating national income are actually, there are three methods. Our syllabus actually have three methods. So first one is value added method. The second one is income method, and the third one is expenditure method. Right now, I am going to discuss all of these three methods in this video very briefly, because I will be making further videos on each of these topic specifically. Okay, so in this video we will just understand the concepts, nothing more. Okay, in details I will make further video of each and every of this method. Okay, so value added method is nothing but the sum total. It is the sum total of what? Sum total of the value added at each value added at each and every levels of production while producing a good. Okay, while producing a good. So value added method is nothing, just it is the sum total of what? Sum total of the value added, which is added at each and every level of production. Suppose we are making a bread. Now for bread, first we need the wheat, right? So after wheat, we need to convert the wheat into flour, then the flour will get converted into bread. So for converting the wheat into flour, we need some processing, some cost. So that is the some value we are adding, and then we are converting it into another good. So that is the value added method. Income method is what? Income method is the sum total of income that is generated for producing what? For producing national product, that is different goods and services. Okay, national product. So sum total of income that is generated for producing different goods and services, or different product we can say. Okay, generated for producing national product, or we can say different goods and services also, right? And expenditure method is nothing but it is just the opposite of income method. In income method we are concentrating on the sum total of the income. Here we are concentrating on the sum total of the expenditure on what? Sum total of expenditure on what? On the final good. So please keep it on mind that final good, be specific with your words. Okay, so final good at market price, this is also important. Final good at what? At market price. Okay, during a year. Okay, this also will be during a year. During a year. Okay, and this one also. Okay, during a year is like it is calculated for a year only, right? So during a year will be the term during a year will be included for all of the three concepts. So value added method is nothing but the sum total of the value added at each and every level of production. Income method is what? It is the sum total of income generated from where? From producing various goods and services. Okay. Then expenditure is what? Expenditure is the sum total of expenditure of final goods at what? At market price. Sum total of the expenditure. Expenditure on what? Expenditure on the final good at market prices during a year. Okay. So this is all about this video. I have just discuss the concepts very briefly. In the next video we will be discussing value added method in very details, and then income method, and then expenditure methods. Okay, so I will make each and every video for this methods particularly. Okay, so okay, let's end this video here. I hope you understand. Thank you.